Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this is by QENEQ, and it's a 140 watt. It's a charging block thing, so I can charge my devices from just one block. So let's see if we can open this up. I have to rip it open because I don't have scissors. There we go. So let's see, this is what it looks like here. So we got the instruction manual here. And so here we go. It's got 3 USB ports. Can you see that? Oh, I'm on the wrong side. 3 USB ports and 3 USB-C ports. What's else it has? Push. Oh, and then it charges. It can plug in just with that. How cool is that? So you can just plug it right in, and then it folds up. So when you travel and stuff, you just got it right there with you. So how cool is that? And then we have, let's see what comes in here. So this is a variety of plugs and stuff. So like right now, I push this, and so I have my 2-prong plug. I'm in the USA. I have this, but what if I travel to Europe? Pop, got that. What if I travel to wherever uses this one? That might be Europe too. Then I got those. So it comes with all those different ends for it. I will use the 2-prong one because that's what I do. And then we also have in here, let's see, what is this? So we have this wire set here, which will give us, let me see if I push. There we go. So then if I want to, if I don't want to be plugged in directly, I can go like this, take this off, slide on this end here. If I can do this, there we go. Slide on the end back onto here. And look, now I can plug it in here and then I have it at a distance. Pretty sweet, huh? And it looks like it comes with a couple of wires here. So we have one that's USB-C to Lightning. I don't know if that's gonna focus, maybe not. But then the other one here is USB-C to USB-C. But hey, let's plug it in and see if we get any charge. So I have a extension cord here. So I got that plugged in. I'm gonna try my USB-C to USB-C because I have a couple of devices here that use that. I have my iPad and I have my laptop. So here we go. So it's gonna tell us our wattage too. So let's see if we plug in this one here. Plug in my iPad first. And let's see what it says. So there we go. So now it says it's charging at 28 watts. I don't know if you can see that. It says it's charging at 28 watts. Let's put in, let's see, got another wire here. What is this one for? My laptop. My laptop's already charged, so I'm not sure what this is gonna do for me, but we'll try it. Let's see what it says when it goes into there. So that one says currently 12 watts, so it doesn't really need much. Oh, now it's back down to 0 because it's already charged. But then if I want to do, where was that phone one? Actually, I have the phone right here. I'm using it to record, but we'll plug it in anyways. So now it should be charging while we're plugged in, and we are charging at, well, currently 5 watts, 10 watts. So 3 watts, doesn't need much. All my devices are fairly well charged, but how cool is that it tells you the wattage that things are charging at, so you currently, you know if things are charging or not. I know my laptop's already at 100% because it's at 0 on here. So how cool. So it's got all those, and then it's got the USB versions of them as well. I don't have any more devices to plug in, but this can do 140 watts. So we've got a lot of wattage to do. So my laptop, it could be charging my laptop and my iPad and my phone all at the same time. My laptop uses maybe 60. The laptop, or the iPad maybe 20, or maybe it goes fast. I don't know if iPad, I think an iPad does 20 and so does the phone, so 40, and then maybe this would do 90, so we can get close to it by charging those 3 things, but I can charge my other stuff too at the same time, so how cool. So I like this device. It's nice, it's easy, it's got a little thing on there. I'll probably leave it up on the desk like this and leave it plugged in with the wire so I can charge all my stuff. Super cool. Thumbs up. This is it. 140 watt, and by, where was the brand on it? I ripped it open. QENEQ. QENEQ. So, love it.